my channel. Today I'm going to show you my morning routine, I guess, when it comes to makeup. We're in the fall season and I normally like to do a more natural look. So here I'm going to show you what I do in the mornings to get ready for work as far as my makeup goes. So normally I like to wash my face in the morning and it's already completely washed. And I like to do that because it kind of refreshes you, wakes you up, and you kind of start from a clean slate. And so then from there on, I will take my True Skin Vitamin C Serum and I put that on my face because it's just really good for your skin. As you can see, I have some scarring on my face and it really helps with scarring, from what I've been told from like dermatologists and stuff. And I always put it on my neck as well because your neck is a part of your face and it really needs to be taken care of. Also, I put on this clindamycin. It is a topical lotion that my dermatologist prescribed to me because I was facing really bad acne, which I could do another video about if people are interested to hear about how I've kind of faced acne. I used to have really bad acne, so I'm kind of glad that it's gone now. But I just took a little tiny bit and I just put it all over my skin, on my neck as well. So there's that, and that's clindamycin if you are interested in asking your dermatologist about that. Then after that, I put on a primer before I put on any of my foundation, and this primer has sunscreen. It's SPF 30, and I always make sure that I put some kind of sunscreen on my face before I go out because even if it's not sunny, there's always going to be UV rays, and this really protects your skin from those UV rays. But also, primer helps to set that foundation in your skin so it looks nice. It sets nice as well. So I usually use Lancome as a foundation, but I switched over to Bare Minerals, and right now I'm using this Bare Pro, and it's pretty good. I actually really like it. It's in the color Sandstone, and I actually really do like this one. I've like made it a point to always ask when I go to places like Ulta or wherever I get my makeup from, to ask them about the ingredients inside of the foundation to make sure that it's not pore clogging, God bless. And Bare Minerals is one of those that doesn't get into your pores and helps with, like, if you're like acne prone, because I am. And I just really like how it comes on. It's very light. It's not like heavy makeup. And it really helps cover all of my scarring, because I have bad scarring from when I pick my scabs on my face from acne and stuff. I have a really bad habit of that. I've been really good lately. I'm not doing that, thank God. And then I just like go back over with a tiny little dot for the places that I've missed. So I have my foundation on, and Now I'm going to put on some concealer. So right now I am using Born This Way by Too Faced, and I've actually like used to not wear concealer. I don't know why. I mean, I don't really have like dark circles under my eyes, but I do like the way it like kind of highlights my face. So I kind of put it under my eyes here and like right here. I like do it weirdly. I feel like a lot of people don't do it this way. And then I do it like right here in the middle of my nose. Right here. And I don't know the name of my brushes because I am not a beauty guru, so bear with me, but I got these on like Amazon for super cheap. And they're like called Chic Republic, and I really actually do like them. They're really soft and the bristles don't come off, so it's pretty good quality. Always go in right after I go in with my concealer, and I set it with a setting powder. Right now I'm just using this Ulta Beauty setting powder palette, and it has like different shades. I'm like almost out, and I kind of go through all of them. I kind of mix all of them together, and I just set my under eyes and wherever I put the concealer, just so it doesn't get creasy. Now I am going to contour my face. So right now I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I just go right down the sides of my nose, right here, like on the outside of where I put my concealer, and then I do some on my forehead. This can come out really heavy, and I don't squeeze it very hard because then it gets super dark. And then I do some on the sides of my face here to contour my cheekbones. And then I'll go in with this angular brush, this one, and I kind of just like blend it in like that. I don't like when it looks like unnatural, so I really blend because I don't like when it looks like I just have like a line on my face. I'm like really rough on my face with these brushes. I need to like chill out a little bit. And then my forehead. Okay, and then I go in with this smaller brush here. Jeez, my hair is a mess. And I then contour these little nose contour lines here. Okay, and then I will go and do my eyebrows right now. So I like to always brush my eyebrows up like all the way, so I know like exactly where the shape needs to be. And then I am using this Ben Nye eyebrow pencil, and it's honestly like the most amazing thing ever. And I just kind of like outline my eyebrows very lightly because I don't like when it looks like very fake. I like seeing some like, I don't want them to be completely filled because it looks like too chunky. So I kind of just like go with the pencil and I follow my shape and just kind of lightly tap through. Do the same on both of my eyebrows. that. And then I just go back in and I brush it again. Make sure I kind of like went through into that. Because I kind of like the big brushy eyebrows. Okay. Now I go in with my Essence Pure Nude highlighter. And this is not the only highlighter I have, but I've kind of been using it because it's like kind of subtle. And I just like pat it in between my nose. And then I take it and I like put it right here, like under on my cheekbone right here. I like don't know how to make it like so it's not like all in your face, so I kind of just like do it very lightly. Then I go in and I put some blush on. I have this color, it's a Lancome, gosh, I honestly don't know the name of this, I'm so sorry, but it's really pretty and subtle. Has like a little bit of shine to it. It's like this color, if you can see. I wish I knew the name, but it's by Lancome, so if you like it, they got it. So I kind of just put it like right here, here, and here. And then after that, I go in and I use my bottom eyeliner. This is just a really black Lancome color as well. Do my under eyes. I always go in and put some chapstick on because you don't want to have chapped lips. Especially because it's winter time and it's super cold outside and very dry, and it's easy for your lips to just get really chapped. And I put on this lipstick that I found at the drugstore, and I'm pretty sure it's Neutrogena. No, it's Maybelline, I'm sorry. And it's the color Nude, Nuance. Nuance? I think that's how you pronounce that word. Don't hold me to it, but it's 657, that's the number, and it's a matte color. And this is just a really cute color, I think, for the winter time because it's like very subtle and natural looking, and it's like a light brown. And I usually use a lip liner for this color, but I do not have it right now, so that's just the way it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now, and I'm gonna use this color intensifying eyeshadow base, and I'm running out of it, so it's probably not gonna be much, but I kind of put that on top of my eyelids, and I just work that in with my fingers. And then I'm going to use the Naked 3 eyeshadow palette that I've had forever, and it's just always amazing. And I go in with this color that's called Trick, and it's like a light brown, light shimmery brown. I like to use brown colors because they look very natural. Plus it's fall, so it always works. But I normally just use this color. I don't really like to use any other colors, to be honest. Just kind of, brown is my vibe, you know? So. And then I go in with this other brush. I use two different brushes for two different colors. And I'm gonna go in with this color Factory, and it's like a darkish brown. And then I go over it and I just like go to like the side corners here to add like a little bit of a, you know, like a darker feel. And then I go like all the way through. I'm gonna do it on the other side. So that's that. And like I said, I'm going to come back to this. So just again, I'm going to use all three colors and kind of make sure that all of my makeup's kind of like set in place. Brush my eyebrows one more time, make sure that I like their shape. And then last but not least, I always go in with my mascara. It's the best way to kind of complete the look. And this one is, I literally hate this word so much because I can never say it. The voluminous, gosh, help me. But the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. So it's Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, and I just got it on Amazon as well, and I love it. It works very nicely, and it doesn't look very clumpy either. So, don't you hate when your mascara just gets all over your face? I really love like big, bold eyelashes, so I take some time and really work them through. It's like the last thing I do because I really want to make sure that they look on point. And like from time to time I like to wear fake eyelashes, but like only for like really special occasions, not for everyday use. And honestly, I don't really like them. I just kind of like the way they look sometimes, but they really bother my eyes. Especially because I wear contacts and I don't know, I feel like they're just like heavy or something. So that's kind of like my eyelashes right now. And then I always do my bottom eyelashes as well. And when I'm done, I always go in with a setting spray, and this one is by L'Oreal. Just kind of make sure that all my makeup is set, because I'm going to be wearing this makeup all day and you don't want it to start looking bad. So this is like my everyday go-to look for work. It's kind of like a very natural look, which I like to do, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I am not a makeup artist whatsoever, so everything I did was kind of just like my own thing, but it could work for you. If you enjoyed this video, please definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to do more makeup videos or maybe talk about my acne experience, you can comment down below and I might decide to do it for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I love hearing back from you guys. Anyways, have a nice day and thanks for watching.